Let's make some bananes bouillies and œufs frits. First, we're going to cut off the tips of our plantain and cut that in half and put this to boil along with some salt and let it cook on medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now for our eggs, we're going to go ahead and chop up some veggies. I'm using 3 color bell peppers along with some onions. I like to work smarter, not harder, so this chopper always comes in handy. I'm also mincing some scallion and some garlic. Now, if you'd like to keep your eggs vegetarian, you're welcome to do so, but I'm going to be adding some hot dogs to mine. Before you season and scramble your eggs, make sure you take out the white part. I'm seasoning with a little bit of bouillon along with a tad bit of cayenne pepper and giving this a good mix. I'm going to heat some oil and butter and fry my hot dogs for a little bit. Once it has a nice sear, I'm going to add in my veggies, give this a good mix, and then season with some ippies. That's it, baby. I know y'all been waiting on the restock. It's coming, I promise. Now, I'm going to let this cook for additional 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add my eggs in and let my eggs cook. It's very easy to dry out your eggs, so do not over mix it. Et puis that's it. Ou get con bra manger. Bye.